Need a CMA report for your business loan? Try CMA Builder, the most advanced CMA software on the market. Hi, have you ever applied for a business loan, but failed? The problem probably is your CMA report. Don't worry, with just a few clicks you can now create that perfect and foolproof CMA report that can help you get your business loan approved easily. We have seen many businesses fail to get that much needed bank loan, just because of a bad CMA report. They lost a lot of money, time, and efforts. The problem is that preparing a CMA report is very complicated. You need to study many hours and do difficult calculations. However, one small error can make your entire CMA report worthless. Until now, the only option was to hire a professional. But this option has two problems. Number 1. It is very expensive, can cost you as high as 15,000 rupees. Number 2. It takes a lot of time. You have to keep reminding and wait for weeks or even months. How nice would it be to just enter some details and generate that perfect CMA report for your next business loan application? That is just as prepared by country's top CA firms and experts. But costs less than 1/10 of the fees you would have paid to them. Well, now you can. Fortress Consulting Group brings to you CMA Builder, the most advanced CMA report software on the market and trusted by 1,000 plus businesses. Our CMA Builder software is created by a team of top industry experts and is built to ensure that you get that next business loan approved as easily as possible. Using smart technology, our CMA Builder will understand and predict most realistic future cash flows of your business. It will calculate your projected assets and liabilities and create a complete CMA report that will meet your loan needs. But you don't have to worry about any of these things. With our CMA Builder software, you can create your next report in just 3 easy steps. Yes, you heard it right, in just 3 steps. Step number 1. Enter the loan amount that you wish to apply for. Step number 2. Add the financial data as appearing in your past profit and loss account and balance sheet. Step number 3. Just click download and our CMA Builder will create a best custom report for you that is as prepared by country's top experts. This is not only fast and efficient but will also save you lots of money. Our CMA Builder software lets you edit and download reports multiple times, create report that is accepted by most banks in India, and you can do it all yourself. No more paying high professional fees. Our software is designed to generate projections that are realistic and convincing. It creates report that makes easy for banks to process your loan. We guarantee best results if you use our CMA Builder for your next loan application. In fact, we are so confident that we will let you try it for free. So, don't postpone your business plan. Sign up on our website and create CMA report for your business loan today. It doesn't matter if you are in the business of manufacturing, services, or trading, or whether you are proprietorship company or any other legal entity for that matter. We are absolutely confident that our CMA Builder will finally get you that loan approval that you have always been wishing for. Go ahead and try it for free. There is no prior commitment needed. So, this makes it a totally risk-free trial for you. What are you waiting for? Sign up and create your CMA report in just 3 simple steps. No more paying high fees, no more waiting for weeks, and no more facing loan rejections. Use our CMA Builder and apply for your business loan today. Your business growth is finally now in your hands. Sign up on our website to get started. In just a few clicks, you can have a foolproof CMA report downloaded on your computer. Try our CMA Builder software for free today and save lots of money and time for your next business loan application.